we're going to do some chicken today, Italian style chicken with eggplants in a nice deep, rich tomato sauce and garlic. It really, really is delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So what we have here is our chicken. I've got whole chicken, 1 kg or 2.2 pound of chicken. The skin is on, the bone is in. What we're going to do is we're just going to season this up a little bit. So I'm going to get in a couple of teaspoons of oregano, a couple of teaspoons of sweet paprika, nice big pinch of black pepper, salt. I've then got a tablespoon of chopped garlic, and here I've got some olive oil, which we're just going to put on to help it do its thing, to stick onto the chicken. Maybe that was about 4 tablespoons. You can see I've got a glove on. Just going to give this a little mix up, and then we're going to go straight to the cooker and fry this off first. Okay, so I've got my pan here, or a wok or a pot, whatever you're going to need. We're going to cook the whole thing in this. Heat is on medium. We're going to get our chicken, and we're going to get it all in, and we're going to fry this for about 6 or 7 minutes. Get it on its way. I'm going to drop in any of the oil, garlic and seasoning. And I'll be turning this every minute or so. Okay, off goes the heat. We're going to get our chicken out. Now don't worry if you don't feel that your chicken is cooked all the way through. This isn't cooked all the way. It's got a nice bit of kind of colour on it. I got it on the go, you know. But yeah, we're going to be cooking this again. So it all comes out. Keep the oil in there, because we're going to be using that. We've got some wonderful flavours there. So what I've got here is 2 cans of tomatoes. They were a whole plum tomato. I just give them a little squeeze with my hand, mashed them up a little bit. 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 3 teaspoons of oregano, 135 grams, or one of those little kind of Tetra packs of tomato paste. And then here, my eggplants. Now you can see I've got these type of eggplant, nice kind of little small ones like that. I'm keeping the stalk on. Now, if you're going to use like this, get a knife and just pierce them a little bit so they don't explode while we're cooking them. They can kind of explode a little bit. Now, if you don't have these, you could use a regular eggplant and chop it up into, you know, chunky bits like that. Let's get back to the cooker. So super easy and delicious. Heat goes back on. I'm going to grab a spoon. We're going to drop in that 1 cup of onion back into that lovely seasoned oil that we just done the chicken in. 1 tablespoon of garlic. And we're going to drop in our eggplants now. Medium heat, about 4 minutes. Fabulous. Okay, some more black pepper, some more salt. We're going to go with those 3 teaspoons of dried oregano. We're then going to add the tomato paste in there. And I really want to cook this tomato paste out, so keep it stirring now for about 3 minutes. Cooking the tomato paste out I always find gets rid of its bitterness. It's quite bitter, you know, it's quite sharp. Cooking it out nicely really helps. Very simply, let's grab those 2 cans of tomatoes. In they go. We're going to get the heat down a little bit, below medium, and I'm going to let that go for about 7 or 8 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Really fabulous. Okay, let's get the heat down now to a simmer, nice and low. Let's reintroduce our chicken and any juices that's come out of that. Don't waste that, it's beautiful. Going to give this a little stir. I'm going to pop a lid on this, nice and low, 10 minutes on a simmer. You can give it a stir every now and then. Okay, off goes the heat. Let's get this lid off here and some steam out the way. And that is beautiful, really delicious. Check that for salt and pepper. For me, it's perfect. Nice deep tomato, chicken, and eggplant. And there you go, plated that up. Just put a little bit of chopped parsley on the top there. If you wanted some Parmesan cheese, serve that with some pasta with spaghetti or something. Get it in the center of the table. Let everyone tuck in. Absolutely wonderful. Hope you enjoy that. See you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. I really do appreciate it. We're going great guns. We've got over 100 million views as I speak, over 500,000 subscribers. I mean, we've been going for some years now, but yeah, we're doing great. We're just banging away. Just moved house, so you're going to see a bit of a different kitchen very soon in the next videos, if not already. This might be on the end of one of the new ones. I'm sitting in a completely empty house right now, apart from this table and a couple of bits, because we've been so busy doing that. Enjoying ourselves, kids are fine, and yeah, enjoying life as much as we can. Now, if you do want to support the channel, and I really would like you to if you want, there's a link below for a PayPal account. Stick in $1,000 for me, will you? Every week, without fail. No, seriously, if you want to donate any money, even like $2, $3 or something like that, it really does help us out. We don't endorse any products. I don't sort of take sponsorship from anyone. Basically, because I don't think most of it's any good, to be honest. Not that I'm sort of not a capitalist, but yeah, if you want to donate, that'd be brilliant. Check out Rahel's channel, which is Ethiopian food that she does. She's doing great with that. All in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. Might be a bit difficult for you to watch. Chef June is obviously banging stuff out on the channel here, doing some fantastic Filipino stuff. He's also got his own channel. Again, the link's down below for that. That's it. Doing well, enjoying life. Hope you're enjoying life as well. Again, thank you so much for checking out our channel. See you later.